guys, it is time for my favorite video, which is my Lookfantastic subscription box unboxing. So let us pop the lid off. There's definitely something on the lid. So it says, confidence is the ultimate shield. Ooh, it smells really good. Smells like hair perfume. So on top, it comes with the Lookfantastic Beauty Box magazine, and then inside they give you sneak peeks, they give you product information, so we'll be looking at this today. And then it also comes on the top, this L magazine. I never use this, so this is not counted in any value of the box. And now let us open up the tissue together. It is a peach orange color. So, oh wow, it smells really good. Once again, it comes with the same matching color of all these like paper worms. And this is how the box looks like. So let's take a look at the products. It is funny that there are some that are orange in color, which actually follows the theme of the box. So let's see this first thing over here. This is from the brand Polar, and it is called the Northern Light Smoothing Cream. Okay, so now I'm going to be referring to the magazine, and this month I've realized, or maybe I haven't taken a close enough look, but they're starting to have the product value inside, and they tell you the value of the product itself, not like the full size ones. So that's awesome. You can use this to add up and see the value of the box. So this one is only 25 ml and it is worth $17.50. That is in pounds, and over here is SGD, so $17.50 will be worth much more over here. And this one, it looks so familiar to me. This one, it smells so good. Let's open it out and take a look. I have something like that. This one is orange, and the one that I have, I think, is red in color, and that one is a hand cream. So I like that. Even though the brand is the same, we're not getting the same repeat products. So, okay, I'm not going to open this up because it's actually for the face, and I have way too many open skincare right now. So let me just tell you what's interesting about this. This one has a high concentration of vitamin C, which is why I'm really glad that I didn't open it up, because vitamin C goes bad really fast. And this one is 100% natural polar berry extracts, which is what I remember about the other one too. So it actually smells a little bit different. The hand cream that I got smells sweeter, but it also has like polar berry in it. And this is for the face. It boosts radiance and encourages the regeneration of cells. So you can use it as a day cream for normal to dry skin, but I have complexion that is combination skin, so I will use it as a nighttime moisturizer instead. Okay, next up in the box, I'm most excited to take a look at this because this seems like a makeup product, and yes, it is. It is from the brand Mellow, designed and developed in Australia. So it's an Australian brand, and it is no animal testing. It's called the Lip Pencil Crayon in the shade Aria. This is how the box looks like. It already looks like a mauvey, brownish nude color. Yeah, they look pretty similar. It is definitely a nude color. So this one is worth $10.50. It is 0.9 grams. Okay, so this one is definitely a sharpenable pencil, which is not my biggest favorite kind of pencil, but okay, all I'm smelling is just like, I don't even know, maybe that cream. Everything smells good. This doesn't have a scent on its own. So this one is actually gel. So even though it is a sharpenable one, it seems like it won't be that dry. So definitely let us give it a swatch. Oh, wow, you can definitely see the color pay off. Yeah, it doesn't have like a weird vanilla scent. It doesn't smell like much, which is definitely a good thing. And you can see that it is pigmented. There's no gaps in between, and it glided on very smoothly. So they say that this is long wearing. We will definitely try to rub it off after this video and see if it truly stays on. And it's supposed to give you a matte finish, which is true. I can tell that it is matte finish. It is a transfer proof, which is important. Creamy base for a lipstick. So they say matte, and then they say that it's a creamy based. So anyway, obviously with like a lip pencil, you can use it to trace your lips, or you can like fill it in as an all-over color. I'm excited for this because I've never tried anything from that brand Mellow before. So next up, let's just go along with the theme, this orange thing over here. And this one is from the brand Wella, which is really famous for hair products. This one for 30 ml is worth $2.78. So it sounds like Wella products are not that expensive. So the full name for this is really long. It's called the Wella Professionals Invigo Nutri-Enriched Deep Nourishing Mask. So it's for the hair, obviously. They say that you can breathe life into dry and damaged locks. It has vitamin E to hydrate. Wow, it smells really, really good. So this is what is making the box smells so good. It smells like, now that I think about it, a generic sweet scent. But you can tell it's like hair product. It's kind of like a sweet hair salon. So they're supposed to protect your hair from frizz, which is what I have. Because it is a mask, it even comes with goji berry. You're supposed to apply it after shampooing, massage into lengths of hair and leave for 5 minutes. But they say that you can leave it in for up to 1 hour for intense repair. So for girls, this is definitely good to leave in while we are shaving. Okay, next up, let's look at this one. And this is from the brand Avant. So Lookfantastic boxes, they usually come with a lot of skincare. It's not going to be easy to have a skincare brand that I've never gotten before in a box, but I've never gotten this. So that wasn't easy to do. And this one, very long name. Avant Skincare 8-Hour Antioxidizing and Retexturing Hyaluronic Facial Serum. This one is only 30 ml, but the paper itself says that this is worth 89 pounds. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna pick out some important notes about this. It says that it's supposed to address signs of aging, which is definitely good. Always start young. It's a hydrating serum. I can tell because it has hyaluronic acid. It nourishes skin from within and combats imperfections. And it leaves the skin moisturized and radiant. That sounds like it's a very good makeup base. Perhaps I could use this before my makeup. And this is hyaluronic acid moisturizers, plumping complexion. And then inside here it has lipoic acid, which improves the skin's texture and strengthens the skin's barrier. Which is interesting because I don't really see the word lipoic acid, but luckily I have this magazine because they tell me about it. So it says that you apply this serum to damp skin after cleansing, which is really weird. Why damp? Usually my skin is dry, so I'm gonna follow because it's 89 pounds. If they say damp, I would dampen my skin. You have to wait 2 to 3 minutes to allow the serum to absorb before moisturizing. If you have oily skin, we'll suggest using this to replace a moisturizer. I have combination skin, so maybe I won't use a moisturizer after this. Okay, next up, another TV product, and this one is from the brand Mind 10. I've never had a product from this brand, but I'm also not excited about it because it has the word tan in it. It is the 3-in-1 Gradual Tan Lotion, and this one is worth $5.99. This is only 30 ml. There's a lot of 30 ml products here. Actually, 30 ml is a very generous size for you to try the product. It is a gentle and non-sticky formula. Makes me want to try it, but it is tanning, so I won't. It builds up natural-looking glowing color, naturally derived tanning agents, multivitamins and aloe vera. So because of the aloe vera, it moisturizes your skin. It says that it's supposed to soothe your dry skin because it has the aloe vera in it. So they say that you can actually mix this with your daily moisturizer for a subtle glow, which is really good for beginners. But personally, if you're in an Asian country, this is not a product that you would want to get in a box. But I totally understand why they have it because Americans, they like to do all this like gradual self-tanning. But if you're Asians, we like to be white. Okay, so the last thing over here in the box, this is a pink product. And this one is from the brand Skin Chemist London. And this, I've actually gotten something from this brand before. I got a Rose Quartz Lip Plumper, which is like a makeup product. So although we're getting something from the same brand, it's not the same product, which is definitely good. This one is worth $6.99. It is the Rose Illuminating Glow Hydrogel Eye Pads. I'm excited for it because it is hydrogel, so they really stay on a lot better than normal eye pads. So this one is ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid and powerful antioxidants to lift, tone, and brighten under eyes. The best part is that it's not just hydrating, it actually treats fine lines and wrinkles around the eye area. So I'm excited to try it and see if after applying, can I still see like lines underneath my eyes? You're supposed to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, which is honestly very long. Usually I only leave it on for 5 minutes. And it seems like it's just a one-time use pack. So to run through everything, I got one makeup product, which is this one. I got one hair product, which is this one. And I got a tanning product. And then these three over here are skincare products. So I think that's a pretty good range. For me, the tanning product, which is worth $5.99, is valueless to me because I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna give it away. But it's definitely worth the box value because you get a mix of products to try out. Okay, I realized I forgot to pop on to tell you the longevity of this. I think I'm in frame, so I'm gonna zoom in close to you. Ooh, oh, it's not coming off. Well, it feels like I can feel something on my skin, but nothing is coming off. Oh wow, definitely keeping this. Right now on the screen, I will have the cost and the value of the box in SGD. It's definitely worth more than what you're paying for the box, so it's definitely worth it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!